How to manage personalization on Opera Mini. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to manage personalization on Opera Mini. First we're gonna do is go to Opera and then click on this one here down and then click this one, and now just click this one, personalization, and as you see here you can manage personalization settings on Opera Mini. And that's it for today's video. Just manage here anything you want and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.